Welcome back to the Core Restore Advent Series. I'm Hope Savara with Mother Trucker Yoga, where I am taking you on a journey during this holiday season of all the different exercises you can do to engage, restore, and improve core strength from the inside out. If you haven't watched our pelvic floor, where are those muscles series, feel free, you can find that in the comments below so that you know exactly what we're talking about when you watch these video series. Okay, so yesterday we did a movement on our back. Today we're going to be in a more upright position. I am going to use my mini ball. If you don't have one, you can do these exercises without it. You might find that your core is not quite as responsive. It might be a little bit more challenging, but definitely you can still get the job done. But remember, when I mean a little bit more challenging, I mean you really got to think about, am I using the right muscles? Okay, I'm tucking the mini ball behind my back. I'm almost kind of tucking it almost underneath me, but not quite. It's not going to roll away because it's, remember, not overly inflated like we would like a kickball. Okay, so I'm nice and tall. I'm still thinking about my pelvic floor. I'm connecting my mind to my body so those proprioceptors in my muscles, in my tissues are firing back with my brain the way that they're designed to. So let's start out by sitting nice and tall, hands under the knees. My feet are about hips distance at a comfortable distance. I don't have them tucked up super tight. I want to be able to sit as upright as possible. Relax the shoulders down, relax the chest. And now if I had a pin on my sacrum, I'm going to try to pop the ball by pushing my sacrum into the ball. Can you see that? I'm pushing my sacrum into the ball. Now when you do that, think about engaging up with the pelvic floor muscles simultaneously. So I'm going to pull up and press back. Now my lower abs are engaged and they're going to stay engaged. Now I got to think about my pelvic floor a little bit more for myself there. There we go. Relax the shoulders down, chin level. And let's recline back like the dentist chair to about 45 degrees. Now, once I'm there, my chin is level, my shoulders are relaxed, my ribs are engaged. I'm keeping that pressure of my sacrum into the ball. I'm keeping that upright internal action. If you're getting a lot of hip flexor pull, you can put a second ball between the knees or a rolled towel and engage, because the inner line of the leg is the inner line of the core, and I can work those muscles even more. But now I have all those lower abs engaging. I might feel my lower back because, well, if I'm not using those muscles, they're going to feel weak. But relax the shoulders down, arms come up in front. Let's plug the shoulders back, palms face in. Think about knife edge, like I could literally cut through the floor. And we're going to lift and lower the arms. So it looks like this. Inhale up. Woo, there's that shake. Exhale, lower down. I call that the earthquake. I'm only going to lift as high as I can keep my body from rounding, my back from arcing, and my lower back from, there's two different types of engagement, or let's start here first. Inhale, lift. You can join me now. Exhale, lower. There's a hurt, I'm using these muscles, and then there's hurt like, oh my gosh, something's wrong. And so most of the time what you're feeling is hurt like, oh my gosh, I'm using these muscles. This is 3. We're going nice and slow. Inhale when you lift, exhale when you lower. Can you match the arm movement to your breath movement? Inhale, exhale. Now if you're doing this without the mini ball, you're not going to notice that deep core responsiveness like you would with the mini ball. So you might not get as much shaking. You might get a sloppier type of body setup. Inhale, lift. I'm engaging, engaging, engaging. Exhale, lower down. I love the mini ball because it is travel friendly. Inhale, lift. Exhale, pull up. If you need to, put something between your thighs and engage. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Now, the higher I go with my arms, the more that earthquake is going to happen. Welcome to your core muscles. Inhale, 3. You got this. Keep breathing. Inhale, 2. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Slowly bring it back up again. Oh my gosh, I feel every single side of my core. I'm doing this right along with you, but we're going to do it a second time. Remember, you do not have to go back to 45 degrees, but also for you overachievers out there, further back isn't better. So you don't need to be laying on the floor. Just 45 degrees. Okay. Nice and tall. Let's pop the ball with our little bee stinger. Engage pelvic floor. Squeeze the knees on a rolled blanket or a second ball if you need to. Relax the shoulders down, chin level. And as I press my sacrum into the ball, I'm going to lower back. There, I'm on the recline. I feel everything. Everything is engaged. It's doing what's called co-contracting. The cool thing about the core, put it in the right position, it automatically turns on. There's no more suck in, pull up, all that stuff. Plug the shoulders back. Here we go, 10 times. Inhale, exhale. Nose or mouth breathing. Exhale, pull up on the pelvic floor. Inhale, exhale. If you can smile with me. Inhale, exhale. This is 5. Inhale, 6. Inhale, 8. 2 more. Now stay here. If you really want to torch your core, we're going to do 10 quick, really tight toned arms. Here we go. 1, exhale. 2, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Down slow, up. Whew. Great job. Remember that you can restore your core no matter what age, what you've been through, where your body is at, where you are at. You can feel better again. You can feel good again. It is the small, simple changes that lead to the big results in our life. I want to thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video out with someone that you feel might be encouraged by it. And remember that tomorrow we'll be doing the same thing, same place, all about our core. I'll see you guys really soon.